So with StrinGnosis, we can analyze the loading on the casing due to frac loads. Two things we'll have to do here. We'll have to build a thermal load case, and then we'll have to build the load case in the stress calculator. So looking at the thermal load case first, I went for an inlet temperature of 95 degrees, 36 barrels per minute, which works out at 51,840 barrels a day, and 9,000 psi injection pressure slash pop-off pressure. So let this run, click OK, calculate selected case, and it builds this load case with the red line being the temperature of the fluid as it's injected, increasing. Okay, next we come across the stress calculator, and let's say I'm in this 4.5 inch production liner here. Just have a look at the well. We've got the 4.5 inch production line, and we've got 4.5 inch tubing tied back with a 9 5/8 drilling production casing behind. We're just going to look at the frac load down the tubing here. But we could do it without the tube, but we'll do it with the tubing. So we don't have a standardized frac load case here, but it's very similar to a pressure test if you think about it. So we'll come into custom, click templates, pressure and template profiles from template. We'll select this, and I'm going to create a custom load case from a pressure test template. So in the standard load case screen for pressure test pops up. I'm going to specify my surface pressure. In this example, I was using 9,000 psi. And for the temperature profile, let's pull in a temperature profile that we created, which was this one here. View details, that gives me a look of what this looks like on the back side. And this is what is going to be pulled across into the custom template, so I'm happy with that. Click close. We'll use original mud weight all the way externally, because we've got a open shoe liner. Okay. Come to pressure, this is what it looks like. We've got our 9,000 psi there. And click save. We've got our custom load case actually. Let's call it frac load. And what I should do is come into here and write down what the internal pressure is. It's 9,000 psi on top of whatever the fluid type was. I can't actually remember. Gives it a look, 9.2 on top of a 9.2 pound per gallon fluid. And then the external pressure is just 9.2 pound per gallon, original mud weight. But whatever it is, change it as applicable, and then the temperature is frac 9K at 36 barrels per minute. Click save. Okay, then I'm going to calculate that selected load case, and then I'll come across in the stress results. I see that I've got the custom load case here. Come to safety factors, come into details, and I'm looking at the 4.5 inch production liner, and then I can see that these are the safety factors, fully satisfying what is needed, and that is the easiest way to create a frac load inside StrinGnosis. We could go back into the stress calculator and make changes to this frac load. We could do sensitivities up and down on the pressure, but that's the basics of it. Any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with the team at Blade Tech, and we will help you out.